Dock firmware updater. Synaptics is closed. Connect the device. Just a second. Updating firmware. And this thing goes on for, last time I had it hooked up for 2 hours without the firmware update was working. It kept on saying 100%, but it never got past 100%, never got finished. And my mouse is still not working wireless. I can only use it when it's connected by wire. Also, I don't know how long you want me to keep on recording this, but this was about the only way I could make a video, so I will give it a few minutes until I get tired in my arm from holding my phone. Also, the mouse update utility only gets to 4% or 5%, and then it stops and nothing happens for hours. Also, that I have been trying to have running for a few hours, just to make sure it wasn't me who was just stupid. But before this dock firmware updater, my mouse was working wirelessly. The only problem is that it did not want to shut off the light in the mouse when I shut off my computer. Even though my BIOS is made so, I have an option for having products for charging, and I disable that. But my mouse, it shuts off the light, and then if you touch it, it just starts lighting again, even though the computer is shut off. So I don't know how long I was supposed to be filming this. We're closing on 5 minutes and still nothing. Okay, we are good past 5 minutes, so I hope this will be enough.